Hey guys, it's Maritza from Orange County, California. And I just wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys about the Done For You services through Wesley and Ariella. Just wanted to go ahead and tell you guys how valuable this program has been for me personally. Within the first week of going live with my webpage, I had 2 conversions, guys. 2 conversions, that easy.
Thank you, Wesley. Everything that you do, 100%. Keep going, guys. Keep following this man. Millionaire Virgin knows what he's talking about. Woo woo!
Hi, Wes and Ariella. I just want to say thank you so much for creating Done For You services. You two are amazing. You have changed my life, and never have I thought that I'd be able to leave my 9-to-5 job so I can do the things that I love, which is spending time with my kids. Thank you.
I would like to give a huge shout out to my mentors, Wesley and Ariella. You are amazing, and your program, Done For You service, is amazing too.
Hi everybody, I just wanted to give a huge thanks to Wesley Virgin and Ariella. Thank you so much for your Done For You service program. I joined your Wesley's program for Millionaire in Training, and something about his meditation triggered something in me, and I've been on a spiritual journey for a few years now, and being laid off, obviously I needed a change. I needed this break, and something about his mindset tricks triggered something in me, and my spirituality shifted, and it felt so amazing.
Thanks God that I invested my money in the Done For You services system that changed my entire life. Now, I know the secrets behind the scenes, and I'm free to do whatever I want to because of Wesley Virgin and Ariella Warrior, okay? These people really care for you, and if you have any doubts, get over it, because this is the best program that I ever bought, okay? My advice for you is don't wait until the price goes high, because you'll regret. Motivated! Dedicated! Let's go!